afternoon to one and all present over here. My name is Maithili Jaina from Odisha, and my topic is Data is the New Oil, Protecting Privacy in the Digital Age. It's a claim you must have heard about it plenty of times. Data is the new oil. The concept is usually credited to Clive Humby, the British mathematician who established Tesco's Club Card loyalty program. Humby highlighted the fact that although inherently valuable, data needs processing just as oil needs refining before its true value could be unlocked. However, data also has many other properties which cause the analogy to break down on more detailed inspection. For a start, while oil is a finite resource, data is effectively infinitely durable and reusable. It means that treating it like oil, hoarding it or storing it on silos reduces its effectiveness, reduces its usefulness. Oil requires huge amount of resources, including oil itself, to be transported to where it is needed. But data, on the other hand, can be transported, replicated, recreated throughout the world very easily at the speed of light through fiber optic networks. The more the data is processed, the more valuable it becomes. It's not that once used, its energy is getting lost as heat, or once used, its energy is getting converted to another form of energy like in plastic, which happens with oil. But the more the data is processed, it reveals further applications. And the best example is COVID-19. Of course, the data like oil is a source of power, and those who utilize it are establishing themselves as the master of universe, just like oil baron did 100 years ago. And now there are plenty of examples like Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, Amazon. The important suggestion for them is they should use the data mining resources for the humanity as a whole, not only for enriching themselves. Data mining resources and the unregulated data mining resources also causes a huge of problems like privacy issues and imbalance of power. The government has also produced a law, the Data Protection Law 2019. But as I'm here to provide a solution, I would add that the data protection law needs to be idealized by the laws of GDPR and B.N. Sri Krishna's report. The law must keep an eye on the monopoly of the tech giants. At last, but not the least, I would conclude by saying that data privacy is like clean air or safe drinking water. It's the central pillar of the society which we need to safeguard it. Thank you. Jai Hind.